In this tutorial you will learn about security code. Link name, security code. This link is for security purpose to deliver the product to the pickup executive. Step 1. Click security code link in seller dashboard. Step 2. Ask pickup executive to generate code for verification. Step 3. Type the code told by pickup executive in the text box provided. Then click View Person Details button. If code matches, then that pickup executive's photo will be displayed on your screen, and click Continue this process button. Then deliver the product to the pickup executive. Otherwise, make a call to widerwings Help Center for further help.